Let's look at sample problem 6.5 from the textbook. And it asks us to identify the following carbohydrates as the alpha or beta anomer. And we see three different Haworth projections of three different monosaccharides. So pause the video and determine whether each is an alpha or beta anomer. So the first thing we want to do is identify the anomeric carbon, and that's going to be C1 in A. And if we're ever not sure, the anomeric carbon is the only carbon that is bonded to two oxygens. So it's going to be bonded to the oxygen in the ring and the hemiacetal bond, and then it's also going to be bonded to the oxygen in the hydroxyl group. So here is our anomeric carbon, carbon 1, and the hydroxyl group is below the plane. It's on the opposite side of the C6 carbon, so this is an alpha anomer. If we look at B, C1 is again our anomeric carbon. It's bonded to two oxygen atoms, and the hydroxyl group is above the plane, as is the C6 carbon. So this is a beta anomer. If we look at B, this is our anomeric carbon, even though it's not labeled as 1. It's bonded to two oxygens, one in the ring and one in the hydroxyl. And we see that the hydroxyl group bonded to the anomeric carbon is above the ring, as is C6. So this is a beta anomer. And if we look at the solution, we'll see that the authors of the textbook came up with the same conclusion.